So now we're looking at substitution, and substitution has to do with replacing symbols with the actual values, right? Replacing symbols in a formula with the actual value. So we're going to look at some examples here and see how that works out. Here's our first example. The amount charged for sending a package with a shipment company is given by the formula A is equal to 20 plus 3W plus I, where A is the amount charged, W is the weight of the package in kilograms, and I is the insurance cost. So A is equal to 20 plus 3W plus I, right? Find the amount charged for a 20 kg package when insurance is that. So first of all, we get our formula there. So the solution requires our formula. A is equal to 20 plus 3W plus I. 20 plus 3W plus I. W is the weight of the package in kilograms. Our package at this time is 20 kilograms, so our W is 20. I is insurance cost, which is 10, so that's 10. So now I can just substitute those values, right? A is equal to 20 plus 3 times 20 plus 10. So A is equal to 20 plus 60 plus 10. A is equal to 20 plus 60, that's 80 plus 10, that's going to give you 90. So that's the amount. The amount is $90. And all we had to do was just substitute the actual values for W and I in this particular case. So let's go to the next thing. Now, a function f of x is expressed as f of x is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 1. Find f of x when x is equal to 2 and when x is equal to 1. So the first thing we want to do is find f of x when x is equal to 2. So first of all, let's write this statement here. F of x is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 1. F of x is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 1. So when x is equal to 2, all I have to do is go wherever there is x and put a 2. So there was an x there. So now f of 2 will be equal to 2. Instead of x, I put a 2 plus, instead of x, I put a 2 minus 1. So when x is 2, I'm just going everywhere where there was an x, replacing my x with a 2. So f of 2 will be equal to 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. And then 4 times that 2 will give you an 8, plus this 2 minus 1. So f of 2 will be equal to 8 plus 2, that's 10. 10 minus 1, that gives you a 9. So that's the value that you get when x is 2. And then the next question was, find f of x when x is minus 1, right? So when x is minus 1, we write our function first. F of x is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 1. So now when x is minus 1, wherever there was x, you remove an x and put a minus 1. So that f of minus 1 will be 2 times minus 1 squared plus a minus 1 minus 1. So f of minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 squared is minus 1 times minus 1, which gives you a positive 1, because a negative times a negative gives you a positive. A positive 1 times 2 will just give you a 2. A plus and a minus will give you a minus, then a 1, then a minus 1. So f of minus 1 will be 2 minus 1 minus 1, which gives you a 0. So that's your result there. So that's simple substitution in a function.